Planning before calculating is emphasized because it helps you choose the right method, spot possible mistakes, and save time by preventing unnecessary work. Think of solving a chemistry problem like building a model from a kit. If you read the instructions first, you know which pieces you need and the order to use them. But if you start snapping parts together without a plan, you may run out of pieces or make something that does not fit. In chemistry, planning means identifying what is given, what is asked, which formulas or laws apply, and whether you need to convert units or balance equations first. This keeps your work organized and makes it easier to check each step rather than hunting for errors at the end. When a calculation seems to give a strange result, having a clear plan lets you retrace your steps quickly and find where a mistake happened. Students often jump into arithmetic before confirming units or the correct formula, which leads to wrong answers even if the math is done correctly. Always write down what each variable represents and convert units first. Another common mistake is skipping significant figure or rounding rules, which can make results misleading. Decide the proper precision before finalizing the answer. A third error is not estimating whether the result is reasonable. So take a moment to compare your answer to what you expect physically or chemically and flag anything that seems off. Visit www.gumballdegree.com for more videos and resources on planning and problem solving in chemistry.